For respectable audience, 32 divided by fill in the blank times 3 is equal to 4. We have to fill this box to get to answer 4. So if we put here 8, so 32 divided by 8, we will get 4. 4 times 3, it will be 4, not 4. So it will be wrong. So if we put here 4, 32 divided by 4, we will get 8. 8 times 3 is equal to 4. But not 4. 8 times 3 is equal to 24, not 4. So now I will solve it by putting a correct number. If I will put here 32 divided by 24 times 3, what will be my answer? So first of all, I have to divide, so I will get 32 divided by 24 times 3. Now, simplification will be 8, 4, and 8, 3. So we will get 4 by 3 times 3. 3 is cancelled with 3, and we will get our correct answer 4. So, walks will be equal to 24. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube channel.